Ibu Mullins and Mosaic in a common 191 come some of the things that attract agwane immune on mother. Because these videos for educational purpose only because you came to in nature kabaro to saya konya ozofo. Usikobia koko wa ihe na-ebite agwọ na all those things na-eme ụlọ. Yotago because na to mabu moya na mbretum na village. Mgbe anyị nọ na village growing up. So si na abata n'ime ụlọ mgbe ahụ bụ ike. Ọbụrụzi nke ọjọọ ya kịta anụnwa na-abatazi n'ime ụlọ na-achọ ndị ha ya egbu. Mgbe ahụ eke bata ba ndị baya na-asọ na eke nso bata papi ya ezi ọ gaba ala onwe. Mana kịta azi amaghịzi m na generation anyị a kịta ajụ ihe na-eme na awara ntị ga-agwọ ịbata n'ọhịa gbube si ọhịa batabazi ime ụlọ. Because some of the things ndị mmadụ na-invoke, ndị mmadụ na-akpalazi ihe dị n'ọhịa kpabata ime ụlọ. So ihe ha dị n'ọhịa achọrọzi abata ime ụlọ. This is a message I'm passing, and I'm not speaking about anybody, but I'm trying to pass a message. Ka we binata na aka n'ihe ọjọọ. Because anụmanụ na-akwasị nọ n'ọhịa na-atụkwasị ịdị na-atụ mmadụ egwu. Chụzi mmadụ abịa n'ụlọ na-achụpụzi mmadụ n'ụlọ. Mmadụ nọrọzi n'ụlọ na-atụrụ anụmanụ nọ n'ọhịa egwu. Every time ọ dịghị n'obi gada na anụmanụ nwa nọ n'ọhịa bata gị ime ụlọ be gị. Ọ bụrụ na ajọ ihe anyị na-emezi kalị. Ajụ ihe anyị na-emezi kalị. Mgbe gboo agwọ na-agbala ndị fada ọsọ sef. Mana kịta fada na-emezi fumigation na bịa. Mana that's by the way. Ndị dibịa jele na agwọ na-elekwa ọgwụ nọ. A na-amụta agwọ na-eweta agwọ na nkịta wele na-esukwa ọgwụ ndị mmadụ bụrụ na-anabe ha. So deep collect onto deep. Ọ na-akwa osi dị ekpuchakwa m in the end of this video.
I want to list out the things that may likely attract snakes to your home. Ihe nwere ike attract snakes to your home. You know, recently, the video of a young girl that was bitten by a snake has been trending. Many people are now just how manage. Kiri ka agwọ si bata na be this girl. Kiri ka agwọ si we minka. Kiri ka agwọ si minka ọzọ. Even at the point, some persons thought it was even, including me, thought it was a spiritual attack. But later, I saw something that made me to believe that it was not spiritual. But now, let's keep the spirituality aspect of it by the corner. I want to list 6 things that may likely attract snakes into your home. But the number 3 of it will shock you. Okay, let's go ahead. Number 1 is what? Number 1 is poultry. Poultry. Get it? Opening a poultry in your house or around your vicinity, it must not be totally in your house. But with big poultry near your house, my dear, you have chances of seeing snake in your house. In fact, snake has chances of entering your house. Do you know why? Snakes like to feed on eggs. Okay, since the poultry, because they know when to enter and when to go out. But if you want to know if snakes are not batana, check your eggs. Have you ever gone to your poultry and discovered that name gasri egg shell, no gas and egg is empty? Or one fed inside here. Have you even seen that sometimes that you go to your poultry and discover na dead fowls not just there? And I want that guinea Maria. Some of them will snake in me. Once they are beaten, maybe before morning, they are dead. You may not know. So if you have poultry in your vicinity, you have chances, as in high chances, of seeing snake in your area. So when you have poultry around you, we could always tell that person to know what to do to make sure that snakes are not there, because there are things that will be done that will scare those snakes not to enter. In my next video, I'm going to tell you the things to do to get rid of snake in your vicinity. Number 2 is rodent. You might have rodent. They are rodents. Listen, okay, no na beg you well. Ma we no beg you no katifu okay piam. Iman okay na boyale. My sister, be very careful. Be very careful. Agbo nwere ike iso ka ha na kputebegi. Ya na gwa go pio. Snakes feed on rodents. So when they get off you, piam. You know, okay, it's very smart. Rats, likewise snake. And every little space, every little hole, will penetrate in your home. So in that case, what are you going to do? Always mount guard. Don't lose guard. Get things to get rid of the rats. I don't know if you're getting me. Then, number three is what? Music. Listen, music attracts snakes. Yes. If you get what I'm saying, ask your grandmothers and your grandfathers. They will explain this well to you. Cool music, I don't mean batty hot music. No, hot music scares them away. But if you look cool music, especially in a hot afternoon, when they play cool music, if there are snakes within that environment, they will start coming closer. Some persons na snakes and are here, but na snakes and are frozen. Who told you? They listen, they hear, and they do what? And they see. If not, if that number say, I want na gid na kwisi na aja na offer otuzo. Each one your boy no son. So cool music. You know, which time go na village. In the village we what I hear. We in the afternoon, you know, they your radio. Na kpole egwu, chene na imepanya, na afupeke or na afawo. So music attracts what? Snakes. Another one is what? In the road we na akwa, we na akpo hafa. You'll be calling them by their names. Hey, now we're faking Bosia. We're for one Bosia. We're naga. Now I wait and hold this fine girl. Organic, I'll go do any. Dancing. And I made you think her very well. Look at it. And I called the cow called to her. My grandmother said, that was in Yafa. Come in up again. Really. When you're not correct, I'm going to get because the constant calling of the whatever name. They may want to know if you're making on our bianso. When you cook at the wow, hey, Namukuno, if you're a phenomenon, Pia, you call one up again. So avoid discussing about snake at every point in time. Instead, use another word in our wire when you're getting in a crowd and they more understand. Grasses. Getting. Trees. Enough ventilation. We will know it's a plantain, ubo, akio, ibo, popo, everywhere make beauty. Omande well ventilated. Be very careful for your life. And when you high percent chances that snakes are living with you, even without you knowing. So, open a big the bushy. Cut down some trees. Those grasses in a tomorrow you cannot do it. Hire laborers to come and clear it. If you make noise, if you keep that place busy, you see them, they'll crawl away. Another one, again, hose. Hose. What do I mean by hose? Hose, boom. Some places, houses are enough here to shalom, some near soccer pits, some near chambers, you know. Those holes, snakes can go there and hide. Snakes, they're very intelligent too. When we call for rats now, choya, swallow ye, we could take days before we gonna digest and ever home for days they move on the road there. You yourself make mama on there. You must not really digest shazeli. Or try a way to go out. When you are in, when you are out. He knows the best time to penetrate your house. So any little hole or follow my guessing a door. When do I make a door? If you under ya, we show you. So today in my house, my benam, on a banana wool abani. My mom will aqua fatisu ulonos because while men were asleep, as soon as the devil went and saw what? Tiles. So please, if you have any hole in your house, Biko, find something and do what? And seal it up for your safety. Then finally, if you are living in a house, when they are way better na beha on our joy. When the mirror need na their walls, mirror need na wall. Once you enter that place, you will know. For the better self on when then hana good healthy living. Hana at all times. Hana cough. Hana kata. It is very bad. Such cool place, snakes likes to be there. Yes. So because upon a tenant, you are living in such house. Upon gali rent you will get a nature no even in Nesia or never gano or never him. Please don't pay. Don't pay for your life. Apart from snakes bite, it will like one day. You cook that place, katam or whatever, will affect your life. Or look easy wage. So what am I saying? Upon a wall again the mirror. My beginner joy mount or guard because it's an avenue for snake to penetrate your home. Please, if you find this video useful, click on the share button and let this video go viral for people to learn. May God save us all. Have a wonderful day. I still remain your friend, Orafor Precious. Bye.